Hi, I'm going to go over an Ashtanga Sun Salutation today. So we're going to start out by bringing the feet close together. You don't have to be at the front of the mat. You look forward, eye level in front of you, rocking a few times forward and backward, hands at the sides. Breathe in and out. Ujjayi breath is in and out through the nose, making a little sound at the back of the throat. And on your inhale, we'll take the arms up overhead, look up. Try to look back beyond your thumb. So if you need to, your hands can come forward so your eyes can lift and also lift the chest. As you exhale, you're going to fold. You can take your arms to the sides if you have back problems, or you can reach the hands forward and come all the way down with the hands outside the feet. Inhale, come up to the fingertips if necessary. Later you won't do that. You're going to leave your hands flat on the floor as you do this transition. If necessary, you move your hands forward so that you can get some weight on them as you step back. Notice as I step back, my shoulders are over my wrists and I didn't shift weight back and then forward. As you exhale, you lower to chaturanga. This can also be done by putting the knees down so you avoid the sagging in the hips as you lower. As you inhale, you can move forward onto the knees, flipping the feet, or your knees lift up. As you exhale, again, if you're new and you need a little bit more time to transition, you can curl the toes after coming to the knees. Downward dog has 5 breaths in and out. Some people do this pose or warm up by bringing themselves down into child's. Ashtanga is all about the breathing. So make sure you breathe and continue Ujjayi the whole practice. To shift forward or to come forward, you're going to shift weight onto the hands and then begin to take a few steps, one big step or a jump to the front of the mat. Inhale. If necessary, come to the fingers. If not, come to the palms. Exhale, head goes down. Inhale, stand up. Arms reach overhead. Palms touch. Gaze back. Exhale, look forward. Hands at the sides. So I hope you learned a little bit about some of the transitions in the sun salutation, and I'll see you again soon.